Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of your HP Photosmart 6510. This is nice and simple and can be done from the printer using nothing but the touchscreen found on the front of the machine. And getting to the correct menu is actually incredibly simple. You can find it through setup if you go up there, but there's a dedicated button found on a lot of the screens, but the home screen specifically. Press into that and you've got here a breakdown of magenta, cyan, yellow and black ink that your printer uses. Obviously everything's looking okay in mine apart from the magenta, which is incredibly low and has the little question mark at the top there. If you're looking for this menu due to a print quality issue you're having, I'd recommend checking out our videos on the printhead cleaning cycles and test pages, which we also have, as a low ink level within a cartridge is unlikely to be the cause of a print quality issue. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, drop it down in a comment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.